There are so many ways to enhance one's appeal. Here's one of them.
Meet Angelo Ortiz of the Feather Brows, a certified practitioner from the American Academy of Micropigmentation in New York, USA. Graduating from the American Academy of Micropigmentation, Angelo Ortiz conducts training to those who want to learn the craft of micropigmentation. Microblading is done by manually inserting pigment into the upper layers of the skin to give the impression of fullness and shape to the eyebrows. This process results in the pigment being implanted into the skin, which is known as micropigmentation.
You can't go wrong with defining your face. Now you know where to start.